Oh, hello again, just a bit of an interlude here. Just happened to be working around the northern area in the West Australian wheat belt, and I came across these wheat silos here that have these really quite elaborate graphics painted onto them. Seems to be some sort of aerial theme here. There's a crow's nest up on the top of that second one there with a sail. Looks like a balloon is holding this guy up, and he's got some wings. He's rowing himself along through the air. That one there with the he's got 3 wings above him, and he's using a unicycle to propel himself along. So just to be on the safe side, right at the top, he's got a parachute there. He's got a parachute. Is that focusing? Can't quite see that. I hope it is, because these are really quite elaborate graphics. These. And then the one next door, it looks like he's got a balloon there, and he's got a thing there with the baskets, with the roaring fire providing the hot air for the cylinders there that are providing the lift. And he's got right at the top there, he's got some propellers. There we go. So anyway, I just thought that was interesting. I mean, it's more elaborate than the stuff you usually see on these silos. So I thought it might just be worth a very quick interlude video. This one on the left here, he's taking no chances at all. He's got 4 balloons holding him up. There we go. I mean, these things have got to be 100 feet tall, I would think. These graphics. Oh, he's got his sandbags there as well, just to control his altitude. And the second one here, he's got his anchor chains hanging down. This one here, he's on the unicycle. He's got some sort of outboard motor on a stick that he's using to probably steer with, I would imagine, and some extra landing wheels there. And this one here seems to I think this guy's going to be getting a rather nasty letter from the RSPB. He seems to have lots of birds tied to strings on a boom there that he's using to pull him along. Alright, well, that's just a very quick interlude video. So I thought it looked quite interesting. Interesting enough for a video. I don't know how long these things are going to be there for. But I would say an awful lot of work has gone into painting these onto these massive wheat silos here. And if you're interested in seeing them for yourself and you happen to live in Perth or Western Australia, not too far away, these are on the wheat silos at the Northern CBH. Avon CBH rather, yeah. Just up the road from Northern. So there you go. Hope you found that interesting. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.